The car is ruined. Oh no. The whole car is ruined now. I got some wiper blades to change. Fortunately, Bingdel to the rescue. China sent me these some time ago. You can tell that they're crap just by looking at it. It says Bingdel. What a name. It says how to stop windscreen wipers juddering. The sound of your wipers chattering away on your windshield isn't just grating, it also means the water isn't getting wiped away efficiently. You'll often see streak marks in the path of a chattering blade. There are a few possible causes of this problem. It's often the result of a buildup of wax, oil, or grease which prevents the blade from cleanly wiping the water away. Give your windshield a nice thorough scrubbing. Make sure you use a real nice scrubby pad so you scratch up the windshield real good. Give the blades a good cleaning too for good measure. How to stop windshield wiper chatter. If that doesn't fix the chattering, the problem may be a bent wiper arm. To make this diagnosis, bring the wiper up to the mid-stroke on the windshield and examine the blade assembly. The blade should be making full contact on the windshield, and the blade arm should be parallel to the glass. If the arm is bent, use some pliers to carefully twist it until it is parallel with the glass again. A final reason that your wiper blade might chatter over the glass is because it is frozen. Give it some time to warm up with the defroster and you should be back in business. I think they just told us that these are crap. Obviously you saw I got a bad wiper blade and I need to replace that. I don't want to use these, but they're in the garage, they're free. So we're gonna, I don't know how to, I gotta get a razor blade even to open this thing. They sent me, this car uses, this is a 07 Toyota Camry XLE. I called the auto parts store and I said I need wiper blades for an 07 Camry XLE. They said, okay, 4-cylinder or 6-cylinder? I said 6. They said automatic or manual transmission. For wiper blades? Alright, let's see if we can figure this out. The wiper arm here comes up and then makes a U-bend like that. And there's a tab. Now you got to push this tab one way or the other. Which way it's going to go, I don't know. On this car, you push it in like that, and then you'll notice I also have the wiper upside down because this is where the torn piece was, and that obviously folds down to the windshield. So flip it upside down, and on this car, like I said, you push in the tab, and then the wiper will slide down, something like that. And then you got to figure out how to get it out of there. So let me monkey around with that a minute and see, because that way it'll go and put it back on, and I don't want to do that. Sometimes these have like a little keeper or door on them. It doesn't matter if I break this because obviously it doesn't matter. Sometimes they just come apart. Sometimes you jam it. I don't know. We're just going to monkey with this until we get it off. Don't drop the arm so it hits the glass because that's bad. And let me play with this for a bit and I'll tell you what I did once I figure out how to get it off the arm. It should just sort of pull off, but it just doesn't want to move for some reason. You got to flip it over. So that's like that. Now it's off. So this ain't gonna work anymore. This was a Rain-X brand. I don't know if you can see that. These new ones they're junk. I know that. They have a little like door on them. Let me back you out here a second. You gotta flip this guy up. These are weird, like I said. I don't want to use these, it's just that I have them and they're free. There it is. So that pops up. And now we gotta figure out how to, I think it might go on this way. No, I think this way. We don't need that anymore. I think it went like this. Whoops, get that through. It was something like that. It was something really weird with these. It can't go this way because then the hook, the way the hook goes, it can't clasp anything. So it has to go this way. I've done this maybe once before in my life, so I don't know. It's just a matter of monkeying with it. Something feels almost right there, but not really at the same time. It's like almost there. Oh. It looks like it should just go at this point. There it is. Well, we had it and then it popped out. But that definitely is correct. Like this, it hooks through that and then you close that. So let's play with this for a minute and see. I think because it's Chinese, they just kind of mush on there and then you close that little keeper door thing at the top here, if you can see. Yeah. And it's not going anywhere. It's not going to pop off, so I think it's right. It sits on the windshield, so that's, well, we got that going for it. That's not too bad. Now I got to do the other one now. So I flipped it upside down. There's a tab which I pushed in, and then slid it, and then flipped it back around somehow. Once I got it there. I don't know exactly how, but I did that before. And there, it just kind of, it falls off. Oh, this one's done too. Take a look there. Yeah, that's not going to do any good. All right, well, I got a replacement here. Now, they sent me these. One of them was broken out of the package, so even though it looks like there were two in each, there was one. This, that seems right. This one, the rubber had like come off of the metal arm on it. So I don't know how that worked. I was able to mush it back. Hopefully it'll work, because I think the other one of this size, this being the 24-inch one, is broken. And they didn't want to send me a replacement. Let me just make sure I'm doing this right. Yeah, can't go that way, so it has to go this way. Don't buy cheap wipers, by the way. I don't know if you realize that at this point. Well, that's, no, that can't be right. Something's definitely wrong there. Okay. I want to just see, like, why does it, this little guy, maybe if I kind of mush that, I can't turn that around. So you got to kind of keep it there. Oh, that looks good. Yeah, and it just fits, that's it. It doesn't go all the way. And that's it. Now, it won't move, it's locked on. We got wipers now. Yeah, that definitely looks like wipers to me. They're on there, they're not going anywhere. I don't know what they'll look like in the car, or if that really matters, as long as they work, right? So hopefully they will. I got a spray bottle. This is just water in here. Normally I get the hose out and spray it down and have the wipers going so you can see if it actually works, but hose is all done for the winter, so we're just going to kind of go here. And of course, if the spray bottle would work, that would be nice too. It gets finicky in the cold. The sprayer on it is no good. There we go, it's kind of working now. So we'll get a nice light mist on the window. And I'll even do the other side, just because we're doing it. Does this count as cleaning the window like they said? I think so. Yeah, it's starting to drip down in places, so I think we're close. All right, let's give them a flick and see if they work or if they destroy the windshield. Decent. Decent. Not perfect. There's some stuff there, as you might expect. That one on the right ain't doing much of anything up there. Let's put that on again on the delay. Come on. Let's come on that side and see. I need a spray bottle that works better. It's not doing too much there. Barely, not even. Why? I don't know why. It looks like it's all there. It's better than it being torn up. Wiper motor makes a pretty cool sound. See if you could hear it. I think it's kind of more in this area over here. Wait for one more cycle. I don't know, it's kind of a nice sound. Yeah, not doing too well up in there, but the dash cam can see, so that'll work. I don't know, it's better than it was, I can tell you that. So as you can see, I have no idea what I was doing. I just kind of played with it until it worked. And that a lot of times is what you do. There's an acronym for that. It's called fatted. As if you made somebody fatter, you fatted them. And it's, there's no E in it. It's F-A-T-T-D. And it stands for, I'll be polite in this company, farted around till trouble disappeared. So that's kind of what we did. Just kind of monkeyed with it. Don't break nothing, and don't hit that wiper arm on your windshield, because then you're going to be in for a really bad time. Anyway, there's wipers on the car now. That's what counts. How long are these going to last? A month? I don't know, something. They were free, so that works. They kind of almost work, so I'm good with that. And when they do fail, then I'll get real wiper blades. It's that simple. I had them. They were free, so why not? Anyway, thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye. I got wipers around here. I got a spray bottle, razor blade.